Excellence does not come by chance, but by hard work, through years of dedication to continuous improvement, commitment to industry excellence, and to our partners. Our professional focus has become one of safety, airworthiness, quality, integrity and ethics, teamwork. Abu Dhabi Aviation, the largest commercial helicopter operator in the Middle East and North Africa, offers a wide range of aviation solutions and services. Since 1976, we have built a legacy of excellence and success in aviation services support for oil and gas companies, as well as transportation, helicopter emergency services, and search and rescue operations. Today, the company that started as a single service provider has a global presence, a global customer base, operating in 5 continents with over $1 billion in assets. ADA is proud to serve its country, supporting both the civil and military industries in the UAE. Through the years, we maintained a strategic partnership and continuous coordination with our core customer, Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC. With over 48 years of experience and over 1 million flying hours in support of oil activities, the vast majority of our services are in the offshore sector. ADA provides diverse, versatile, and quality-based services. We maintain a growing fleet of Augusta Westland 139 and 169, also Bell 412 and 212, Airbus H135 and H145 helicopters. In addition to fixed-wing Bombardier Dash 8 Series Q200, Q300, and Q400 turbo-propeller aircraft, with highly experienced and contentiously trained staff, both pilots and engineers, to manage operations. Our partnership with medical service suppliers has delivered world-class aeromedical clinical care to ADNOC Group as well as others. This is the first dedicated HEMS operation in the UAE, transporting patients outside the scope of traditional land-based ambulances, with a high level of care from point of origin to definitive clinical care. In the core of our success is an ongoing investment in people. Abu Dhabi Aviation is one of the region's largest maintenance repair and overhaul companies. MRO, servicing rotary and fixed-wing aircraft, both in-house and as a third-party service provider. We carry many badges of qualifications for all the types we operate, from not only the civil aviation authorities worldwide, but also from the OEMs. Many of the region's major petroleum companies, as well as those worldwide, turn to us for the heavy maintenance and modification programs, technical support, refurbishment, repainting, and extensive component capability. We hold major international and maintenance certifications from prestigious regulatory authorities, including EASA, FAA, and GCAA. While maintaining the highest safety and maintenance standards, ADA follows the task of the Continuing Airworthiness Management Organization, CAMO. We believe this is fundamental to ensure that we keep all our aircraft in its safest and most airworthy condition. We are the UAE's only unmanned aircraft operator with an aircraft operating certificate. Launched in 2017, the Abu Dhabi Aviation Training Center, ADATC, is now an internationally recognized approved training organization, providing training services for commercial and military pilots. With a fleet of CAE full-flight Level D simulators, including the AW139, Bell 412M, EMB 145, and King Air 350, certified by both EASA and GCAA, and a team of highly qualified GCAA and EASA instructors and examiners. The training center is the sector leader in the Middle East region. Ground and flight instructions are delivered in a specifically tailored training environment. With Maximus Air Cargo, we have a strong fleet of heavy transport aircraft that complements our worldwide operation. Specialized in providing end-to-end cargo solutions, moving outsized air cargo. Logistical solutions such as VIP charters, rapid response, and humanitarian aid. Maximus is the largest UAE-based all-cargo airline and among the biggest operating in the wider Middle East region. Augusta Westland Aviation Services, AWAS, a successful MRO joint venture between Abu Dhabi Aviation, ADA, and Leonardo Helicopters, an international helicopter manufacturer company. AWAS support a fleet of commercial and military operators and make sure operations with our customers are always available in any circumstances. ADA Millennium, a world-leading aviation consultancy offering advisory services from feasibility studies to business plans and restructuring to aircraft and aviation company assessments. We also specialize in accountable manager and post-holder coaching and training. Owned 50% by Abu Dhabi Aviation, Royal Jet defines luxury air travel. Beyond the basics of carrying passengers, Royal Jet aspires to deliver a tailored experience, unique to the highest standards of premium private aviation. Operating the world's largest fleet of Boeing business jets and intimately understanding those we fly, Royal Jet offers the opportunity to constantly realize the vision of delivering personalized and VIP experience to its passengers. We have also diversified into services for real estate, with Adair and ADA Real Estate Management and General Maintenance LLC. Abu Dhabi Aviation, truly a UAE champion on a world stage.